This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about science. Do you like science? Why or why not?
Yes, I enjoy science because it helps us understand how the world works. I find it fascinating to learn about different topics like biology, chemistry, and physics, and how they affect our daily lives.
What science subject did you enjoy the most at school?
I really enjoyed biology, especially studying animals and plants, learning about how living organisms function and interact with each other. I found it both interesting and useful.
Do you think science is important for children to learn?
Absolutely. Learning science is important because it encourages curiosity, critical thinking, and problem solving skills. It also helps children understand the world around them and the technology they use every day.
How has science impacted your life?
Science has greatly impacted my life, especially in terms of health and technology. Advances in medicine, for example, have improved healthcare, and technology has made my life easier and more connected.
Do you think science will change the world in the future?
Yes, I believe science will continue to change the world. New discoveries and technologies in fields like medicine, renewable energy, and space exploration could solve many global problems and improve our quality of life.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Talk about a prize you want to win. You should say what prize it is, how you know about this prize, what you would need to do to get it, and explain why you would like to win this prize.
One prize I'd love to win is a community service award. I live in a small, quiet town where people are always helping each other. I first heard about this award when I saw a news story about a local volunteer, Terry, who was recognized for his efforts to help others. It made me realize how powerful small acts of kindness can be, and I've always admired those who work hard to improve their communities. To win this award, I would need to get involved in my community by volunteering regularly, whether it's helping out at food banks, organizing charity events, or supporting local environmental projects. The key to winning would be showing dedication and making a real difference over time. The reason I would love to win this prize is because it would feel like my hard work and dedication to helping others has been recognized. Even though the real reward is knowing I've made a difference, being publicly acknowledged would be a great way to encourage more people to get involved in their communities. In addition, winning a community service award would motivate me to keep doing good work and inspire others to do the same. It would be an honor to join the ranks of people who have made a positive impact and perhaps encourage others to take action as well. I believe this recognition would also provide more opportunities to contribute and expand my involvement in community projects.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of awards and prizes. Do you think prizes motivate people to do better in their work or studies?
Yes, prizes can motivate people to perform better. The chance to be recognized for hard work can push individuals to put in more effort. For example, Academic awards often inspire students to aim higher and work harder in their studies. They also create a sense of healthy competition, which can drive progress.
How can parents and schools encourage children to work hard and aim for success?
Parents and schools can motivate children by setting goals that are achievable and praising them for their hard work. Rewards and encouragement can help build their confidence. Schools can also create a friendly but competitive environment where kids feel proud of their achievements. Teachers can share stories of successful people to inspire them even more.
Do you think society focuses too much on awards and prizes?
I believe society places a lot of emphasis on awards, which can be both positive and negative. They can inspire people to achieve more. However, focusing too much on awards might lead to unhealthy competition. It's important to balance recognition with valuing personal growth and effort.
Is money a common award in your country?
Yes, monetary awards are quite common, especially in sports, academic achievements, and workplace incentives. For example, students might receive scholarships for good grades, and employees often get bonuses for outstanding performance. These rewards not only motivate people, but also provide financial support for future goals.
Is there a difference between awards for children and adults?
Yes, there is a difference. Awards for children often focus on encouraging effort and learning, like certificates or small prizes. For adults, awards are usually more formal and recognize achievements in their careers or contributions to society. For example, children might win a medal in a school sports competition, while adults might get a professional award for innovation in their field.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.